Hi, my name is Georg. I'm a systems engineer here at Bitlismen. Today, I'm going to demonstrate one of the features of our iLab platform, the augmented reality. Firstly, we will connect to our solar power generation trainer through the AR platform and demonstrate the disassembly and assembly of the trainer, and also the remote control and monitoring of the trainer through the AR platform. Secondly, we will connect to the digital twin of the wind power generation trainer and manipulate with the wind blades. So let's get started. Now I will disassemble and assemble the digital twin of the trainer. Now I will run the trainer. As you can see, we can see the real-time data both on the software of the trainer and also on the augmented reality. Now I will ask my colleague to change the light intensity. Now I will turn off the trainer. Now we will detect the digital twin of the trainer. And now I will press the button and rotate the blades. Hope you enjoyed the AR functionality of our iLab platform. For more information, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and check our other products. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.